So guys, this is Gurara Waterfalls and I'll be taking you on a tour. Follow me. So for those who don't know, Gurara Waterfalls is basically a mixture of rocks and water and a waterfall itself. So there is like a pool of water always washing over the rock surfaces, and then there is actually the waterfall itself cascading from down up. I'm going to show you guys all of this later on in the video, but this is still the entrance. This is like the upper view from where you look down into the whole waterfall, the landscape itself. Then after here, where I'm taking the video from, there is a way to actually go down and enter the waterfall itself. Like you walk into all of these rock surfaces that looks a bit distant. We can actually walk into it and walk on top of it, touch that pool of water that you can see and all of that. Now this is the entrance to the top of the waterfall. So you basically just walk in, and then you get an aerial view of the landscape and everything that is there. So look at here, you can see there's an aerial view. You can see the water, you can see the landscape, the trees and all of that. You can see it. And these are the people that came on the tour with me. That's Asia on the phone. This is Jadisola making faces. That's our tour guide behind Jadisola. And this is my paddy Frank that also came on the tour. So now you can see the water, you can see how they are all cascading down. Now one thing you should realize that is actually a bit sparse now. The water is not full because it's not the peak of rainy season. In the peak of rainy season, everywhere will be flooded. All of these rocks will be flooded with fast moving water, and I'm sure it's going to be an absolute beauty. I should come back here during the rainy season because I'm sure it's going to be mad crazy. Right now we're on our way downwards, which serves as the entrance to the waterfall. So from here we're going to be able to see the water, touch the water and see the waterfall itself. I've gotten down finally, and look at the waterfall, man. This is something. Look at the waterfall. We couldn't see this from up. If you can remember, we're just seeing all of these other sides, all of the non-moving waters, but now we can see the waterfall. We're going closer, and very soon I'll give you guys a close-up shot. But this is beautiful and raging. You should hear the sound. It's basically like crashing against the rocks, and man, beautiful. Hear the sound. What you talk? I hope you could hear the whooshing sound of the waterfall as it crashes, as it falls to the ground. Man, that is some really, really badass sound, I must confess. Now look at the environment. It's so beautiful. Look at the rocks, the trees. It's just a combination of nature doing its thing, a marriage of nature. Everyone should actually see this. Absolutely every damn person.
We are getting closer, yes, closer. We are going closer today. We are going closer, yes, closer. Going to Gurara to stay.
Now this is a lot cooler because of the water.
Yeah, and the wind is scraping.
So I've just decided I'm going to bathe under this water, and no one, I mean absolutely no one, is gonna stop me. Woo! This feels good. Jadisola and Asia and Frank should actually try this, but they are too scared to. I don't know why.